All right, we're going to manage our store orders. Orders in the store, of course, anything with the store has to either do with products or downloadable products or donations. So under store, we can go into orders. And we can see that there are two dummy orders that are created on the site. They have the order information, their order number, which is super important. It's a unique number, especially for CRA, Canada Revenue Agency requirements for those that are doing donations. You need to be able to identify the numerical value, unique numerical value of the transaction, who did it, the billing info, the status, whether it's completed, the type of payment. Of course, these were done with example payments, but it might say PayPal, it might say credit card, when it was created, when it was updated, and the stuff that they've purchased. And then we can edit, we can apply the payment. Maybe they paid us in person. You never know. We can delete the orders. I suggest never deleting orders, as your year end will not line up because you'll be missing some orders. But you can also do things in bulk. You can change the order status. You can delete the order, resend the email, the order email to customers so that they get the transaction email that gives them all the information. Or you can send an email to the customer, and there's a whole tutorial on sending emails because it's a little more, there's a couple extra steps than just clicking send email. You also have an advanced search, much like you do in other content areas, where you can drill down and find exactly, everybody that's paid by PayPal, or everybody that, created something in August, or, anybody that had orders greater than, 20, or by product. You can search by the product title. You want to see everything, everybody that bought red t-shirts because you got newer red t-shirts in, and you want to tell them all about it. You can send an email, that sort of thing. And we can go and view the actual order itself by clicking on either the number tab, and you can see here where's the order information. You can see a map of where that address is. You can print off a transaction receipt, or if you're a nonprofit and this is a donation, which this is fast, and click on the donation receipt, and then it'll give you a donation tab and download. You can see right here that it gives you official donation receipt, and of course it would be branded with your information, and the transaction receipt as well. And so once we're in there, we can also go and edit this information. So we can say that, they didn't actually donate $3,000. In fact, they only donated $2,000. Maybe it was a manual transaction. You never know. You can always edit their information, and maybe they changed their address, and we can save that information. So managing orders, it'll show the latest order on top at any given time. We can change that order at any by clicking on, we want to filter by billing info or status payment, whatever. And so managing orders, you also have an export of CSV that allow you to export the information to your accounting software, whatever you need, and be able to import it on that direction, depending on how that is set up. You can also see shopping carts. Now this is again orders that have already made their way through the process, but you can also see shopping carts, and this is super important for those that finding out who has added something to their shopping cart. Maybe they were, they added, like, for example, this person put a $5 donation in. They're an anonymous user, so there's no way we'll be able to find out any more information. But some people might be logged in when they do this, and we might see that they have tried to register for an event or add a product to the cart and they haven't done it. And in this case, we can then go in and actually send an email to that individual saying, hey, it looks like you were trying to buy that red shirt, why don't you come back and pay for it, or then you can contact them and that sort of thing. So pretty helpful to know kind of some of what we call abandoned carts, to be able to follow up. Anyways, I think that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.